Hello guys, we are going to show you more science tips. So let's show you more. Here is science tips part 2. Now let's go and show you what other things are science things. Now we're going to show you using a microscope to see what is making the white color on the phone. We'll use a microscope to see closer. Hello guys, we'll show you what you can see when you zoom 40 times closer on a white screen using a microscope. So you can see how does it make the color white on the phone. Let's zoom closer to see. This is what you can see through a white screen 40 times closer using a microscope. You can see some red and these green and these red colors. All of these kind of things in there make that white color. These are the 3 LED colors seen in any other white screen. Let's play science microscopics. Now, so as we're going to show you, now we're going to zoom through my iPad and not 40 times closer because what I just can see is always white. I'm zooming 4 times so that I can see a proper difference. Let's just show. Now let's check with my iPad. So let's just see through the microscope. Wow, I can see all of this color. It's so beautiful here. Can't you see the blue, green, and red here? It looks like it's LED. Cool, right? The red, green, and blue inside looks like an LED flash. Let's look through some different color. So this is what I can see. So can you see all this color change? This is because I'm moving the picture, you know. Can you see? The thing you can see, I'm swiping. The picture you can see. Let's swipe. Wow, can you see it? It's so cool, right? So I was actually swiping the picture, and what you can see through that microscope, you can see the LED flash color change. You know, that's because if it's for it does so the LED flash color red, green, and blue doesn't work for any device screen color. It works for white and some other color which contain the red, green, and blue. So what happens? I could see red, green only, and I saw a dark red, green, and blue with a dark effect. When it was kind of dark navy blue, then it shows a dark effect with red, green, and blue. Cool, right? It looks like a big experiment and it's lots of fun. Science. Microscope. Okay, we've got yellow here. Let's see what you can see. Wow, red and green. Just red and green, but no blue. And I can see it make that yellow color. I don't know how red and green makes it. I think maybe red and green makes brown, but it's light. It must be light red and green, so it must be lighter brown yellow. But I don't know. Let's just swipe down and look at pink. Wow, I can see that kind of blue, red, and green with a kind of a little lighter effect. Let's try this magenta kind of fuchsia. I can see red and blue with a light effect too. Let's try this kind of purple. Yeah, this is This is dark fruits, yeah. Wow, I can see red, blue with that type of effect. Now let's just keep going to the indigo purple. Wow, I can see these colors in a kind of a little light blue effect or dark blue. Now let's moving on to blue. Wow, what I can see is blue and green. Isn't that cool, you know? This is actually a cool experiment. But finally of all, we need to look at green. This kind of green. Wow, I can see a green effect of red, green, and blue. So, this is all about science experimenting on microscopes, looking at LED flash closer through white screens or any other color to see the LED flash color change. Isn't that cool? As we can see closer through white, we can see red, green, and blue. Let's pick one kind of red color to see. If we zoom through a red color, we see red and green. Isn't that cool? Now let's try and test blue. Now what would happen? You can see a red, green, and blue, and with a blue kind of effect. Yeah, blue filter. Now green. Let's try green. Yeah, red and green with the green effect. That kind of makes green. The kind of same color, right? Isn't that lots of colorful microscope science investigating and in a big colorful world of LED flash color. Big LED flashlight colors. You are investigating through a big microscope, looking from white screens to different kind of colors and looking what kind of LED colors with the effects can make it the right color. Isn't that cool? Okay, the video's too long, so maybe we should end it. So we'll see you again in another video later. So bye.